time as I may consume. Madam Speaker, human embryo destroying stem cell research is not only unethical, unworkable, and unreliable, it is now demonstrably unnecessary. Recent spectacular breakthroughs in non-controversial adult stem cell research and clinical applications to effectuate cures or the mitigation of disease or disability have been well documented. For several years, significant progress has been achieved with adult stem cells derived from non-embryonic sources, including umbilical cord blood, bone marrow, brain, amniotic fluid, skin, and even fat cells. Patients with diseases including leukemia, type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, lupus, sickle cell anemia, and dozens of other maladies have significantly benefited from adult stem cell transfers. Members will recall back in 2005, President Bush signed legislation that I authored, along with my friend and colleague, Mr. Archer Davis, which provided $265 million to establish a comprehensive nationwide network to collect, type, and disseminate, using best practices, umbilical cord blood, the aftermath, the leftover, the medical waste after a baby is born. Some 4 million women give birth in the United States every year. In the past, the umbilical cord and the placenta was simply thrown away, despite the fact that it is teeming with stem cells that could be used to effectuate cures and to mitigate disease. The legislation combined cord blood and bone marrow efforts under HRSA. So now we have a program, a nationwide program, to try to help people who are suffering from serious disease. We know that leukemia patients can be greatly benefited, in some cases cured from leukemia as a result of those transplants. And many of our African American friends, some 1 out of every 500 who suffer from sickle cell anemia, can also greatly benefit from these kinds of transplantations. That legislation is being run by HRSA, and it is working. Adult stem cells, Madam Speaker, are truly remarkable. They work. They have no ethical baggage, and advances are made every day at a dizzying pace.